vision, to actually know where you are going. The vision and direction at Bowling RV has revolved around our customers since we began in 1959. It has been said that customers don't just buy products. They buy from people they like or, even more, trust. We are a family-owned operation with a team of people who also believe and take pride in putting the customers first. We believe in strong families and friends you care about, built on a foundation of hard work and commitment. We are selling RVs to families and couples with dreams of excitement and travel and weekend getaways. Families bond over an evening dinner, grow closer together spending quality time taking hikes, talk around the late evening campfire, exploring, laughing, relaxing together with our products. We believe some of the best memories families will think back on will be from their RVing weekend trips and vacations. Headed south for the winter, living a do-what-you-want lifestyle in your home away from home. It's really about experiencing life together. We have seen the technology, innovation, and advancement in our industry. Now is the best time ever to own one of these beautiful machines. The excitement we see in our customers' eyes when they step into these beautiful RVs is priceless. We see our role as helping our customers find what fits their needs best. Whether a travel trailer, fifth wheel, toy hauler, or motorhome, we want them in the best. We want them to know we can also educate them about the right product and be there for them with one of the best service teams in the industry. Our team works hard from financing and parts to service, so all of the units that leave our lot leave with the highest integrity behind it. Our view of the process for making that dream come true begins and ends with trust. It's inspiring to get to know our customers, their families, and their plans for enjoying these beautiful machines. When they pull out, we want them to know we appreciate them and their business. It's a view we hold dear at Bowling RV.